which one now? Want to get the yellow? Oh, you're fine. Where's the yellow? Get it. Yay! Okay. Oh, we're going to do it with righty. You're fine. Where is the green one? Maddie. Get me the green one. Let's finish. Which one? Fishy, are you hungry? Let's finish. Can you get it with righty? Oh, you're okay. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, so close. Get the green one. Yay! Nice job. How about purple? Purple. Purple. There you go. Where's the purple? Where's purple? Yay! I love how she's opening and closing her fingers. Were you jumping? Were you jumping? Okay, let's try. We have 2 more. You ready? Get this one. Get it. Get it. Yay! And our last one. Where's the orange one? Get the orange one. Get it. So close. Here, let me unhook the top. Open your fingers and pull down.
Yay!
Nice job.
Is it stuck?
Open your hands. You open. Oh, good job, Maddie.
Smile. Cheese.